Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to Alan Cooking. Today we're gonna make a potato meal. And here we go, the ingredients we already prepared. Peel the potato using peeler or sharp knife. Cut the potato into 1-inch size cube. And we dip it in the water to avoid change to the dark color. Rinse the cube with cold water. Fill the pot with water just enough for the potato cubes. And bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once potatoes are tender, remove them from heat and drain them. Now put the boiled potato, sliced almond, and then add salt, honey, vanilla extract into the blender, and then add water and blend all the ingredients for 1 to 2 minutes until smooth. Drain the mixture through the cheesecloth to capture all the small or large particles. And let it cool in an hour before using in the cereal. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. See you later on.